Let's talk knife bags today and where it all started for Boldric. Hey guys, my name is Ali, chef, founder at Boldric, and we're going to talk about our very first knife bag today. That was designed in 2010 while I was a sous chef at Boldric in New York City, right there. Worked for this guy, Steven Starr, back in the day. And it all started as a thought process. Why can't we do something really cool for myself? It all started for me. And I remember the first time I designed it, I had it made, and it was this beautiful black knife bag. And I was so excited to have it. I had all my tools in it for a very long time. And then eventually a lot of chefs saw this and it caught their attention, and I had to start making knife bags from there now. And that's how we literally started. It was with a knife bag that I designed for myself that turned into a company that's been in business for more than 11 years. It's a very amazing feeling when you start with something really cool and simple, and then it just spreads as a wildfire. And you know, for me, it was all about using organic products. The leather, it's organic. The brass fixtures are organic. Every single thing, the leather strap is organic. So for me, it was a win-win situation. You know, when you put your knives in the bag, it formed a beautiful shape around the knives. It kind of gave the knives a little something to hold on to, which was the bag. And if I walked through the design process, it was very simple. I had a lot of knives, I still do. And I just wanted to have something really cool. So this is our knife bag. It's a 17 pocket brass knife bag. Brass fasteners right here. When you open the bag, you know, you start with this really cool one piece of leather. You have a little space right here for your notepads, your laptop, definitely your iPad, or any of the small tool devices or books you might want to keep. You know, I used to do a lot of that because I used to take a lot of notes. I had plenty of notebooks. That's for that. A little pen holder, a thermometer holder, whatever you might call it, markers, Sharpies, little card holder, you know. So this was really cool. One piece of leather. And then you have this little other flap that falls on top before you close the leather flap. And the reason why is this kind of holds all the knives securely in here. And then we had the, you know, little pockets over here, you know, around 1.5 inches wide. And then you have some bigger pockets up here to hold bigger tools, your whisk, your spatulas, any odd end tools that you want to do. And the best part about this was when I first designed it, we had this little place called Bowery Kitchen in Chelsea Market. And Robin was the owner. And she was the first person to recognize this knife bag and how the beauty of it. And she decided to put it in a store. And once she did, it just started flying off the shelf, because Chelsea Market back in 2010, and still is, as a matter of fact, it's grown, was like the meatpacking district was like this new hub where they had some really amazing food, amazing restaurants, some really cool ambiance. And the whole Chelsea Market was just beautiful, lit up during the holidays. During summer, they had a lot of shows and events. During Halloweens, they hooked up the entire place. So this was like the coolest thing that happened to us as a startup. You know, our business is 100% family owned. I do the designing of every single product, and my brother and his wife does the manufacturing, and my wife helps with the day-to-day operation of the business. So it's truly a small family-owned business, and we're really proud of what we've done, and I wouldn't change it for anything. So speaking of the knife bag, again, it's a really cool knife bag, and we have a bunch of different bags. So this is like the highest tier knife bag. So if you're a chef and you're at that level that you have a lot of tools, a lot of cool knives, a lot of expensive knives, which over the years you do tend to collect, or so I used to just go to JB Prince and just buy knives just because I wanted another knife. So we'll do a video on knives, my collection of knives as well, and some of the tools that I have. But again, I just wanted to showcase our really cool knife bag that we have and the functions. Again, check us out at boldric.com. We'll keep getting you guys more videos with Boldric and what we're gonna do and what's coming next. So stay tuned, guys. We have a lot to discuss. Thank you. Hey guys, like, subscribe, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, right in the bottom. So check us out and see you guys soon. Thank you.